Welcome to Built on the Rock. Thanks for joining us. In this video, we will be working on completing our top plates and other details that need to be done before trusses are measured for. We have trusses coming in a few weeks, and we have some final details that need to happen as well. All right, join along. This is end of day one of our crunch time. We've got a glue lamb up here. Let's see, where are we? Right there, right behind me. That glue lamb supports a large, like a girder truss that will bear a lot of weight, and so that was called out by the engineer. We get to mark off one more thing on our list, and we're doing well. All right, so we get to mark off glue lamb in garage. That is done. So now what we've got is back porch glue lambs, which I actually might wait on until after trusses now anyway. We've got frame wall in the great room, which is, I already showed you that, that's right over there. And then our top plates, which we've got a lot of. So that is where we're at right now. Well, good morning. So today's project is what's behind me. I've got to frame up a wall back there that divides the fireplace area from built-ins and built-in cabinetry. So that's that, and good news, I found out that I have an extra day to prep this before my truss manufacturer comes to measure. So that gives me a little bit more time to prep, to think about things and make sure everything's dialed in exactly how we need it. I'm gonna get to work. As a remodeler, I tend to have to stick frame individual walls up here like I'm doing in this situation. The rest of the house is not at all what we did. We framed all our walls on the ground and then raised them up, but in this application I am framing some small sections of the walls here and then raising my headers in, partly because I was by myself and I just didn't have the help I needed to get those walls up solo. So that's what we did here, and it worked out well. All right, we got another wall done. So I get to mark another thing off my list here. Get to mark off frame wall and great room. So that's done. Now I got top plates, and we got a wall. I didn't write this on the list, but there's a wall right there where the master bedroom entrance is. We're moving along. All right. For you, the viewer, there's not a lot of excitement necessarily in watching top plates being put up, except maybe watching me go up and down this ladder. But this process really helped tie in the house and lock everything together, kind of stabilize everything much better. It gave me an opportunity to go over everything, check level of walls, and get things just dialed in how we needed them before the truss guys came out. All right, so morning routine. Get our bags on here. We're gonna keep working on our crown plates So this is lame. It's really frustrating. Yesterday I had my saw up on the roof or on the wall, and it bumped it or something, and this broke off right here. There's a handle right here so that when you're pushing through stuff, you can grip it right here. I don't have that anymore. Guess I'll have to hold it like that or something. But so let's take a look here. All right, so I'll get up here. So our walls consist of your bottom plate, which is down there, your studs, and then your top plate, which is the board just above the studs, and then you've got your crown plate. The crown plate's what I'm putting on right now. So when we first started framing, we just put our top plate on, and then we go back and we put our crown plate on. And what the purpose of the crown plate is twofold, really. The first purpose is to lock all the walls together. So if a wall ends here and another wall comes and intersects into it, right now they're attached below the studs, in the studs with nails down below, but you also want to overlap the two walls with framing. So that's what our crown plate does. Just like right here, this wall goes into that wall, and so that crown plate is going across that wall, and this wall. So now I've got all these walls to frame up here, or put the crown plates on. I'll see how well this GoPro works. Have fun watching. I've had this GoPro for a long time, but I've not really been able to use it much, and I decided to try and use it today in this video. Can you all let me know what you think about this? Is this too hard to watch just because of how much movement's going on? Do you enjoy it? Do you want more content with the GoPro on my head like this? I'll do it if that's of interest. I just don't know if this perspective is just a little bit too crazy. Plus, I can't do this all day long, honestly. The time lapse is what I'm going to be doing a lot of. But I could do some of this. Let me know what you think. So, you can probably see right here how I've got two walls intersecting. The only connection point is down here. So this plate, this crown plate, is gonna lock them all together. .73 and 11, 7 3/8 light. All right. Yeah. forgot. Don't want to do that yet. Got some crooked boards there. Have to deal with that. Well, we got all our plates done here. And we're looking pretty good. Having this wide angle lens does help a lot. We get to mark off another piece of our list. And that's our top plates. So today's Thursday, and today is when I needed to have this done. This is what the house is looking like before zip starts to go on the walls, the zip sheathing. Got our laundry on the right, master bedroom here on the left. This is what we framed up today. I was moving real slow. Got this framed up, and this was a little bit of a weird corner, so got that framed up. Truss guys came today. I'd like to thank you for joining us and watching these videos. If you aren't currently a subscriber, we'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.